What's up, everybody watching? We are back with an all new trading card opening, and this one came as an unexpected, pleasant surprise to me. I was just going in Target the other day to pick up a few things, and then you have to browse the card shelf, and once I did that, I came across these, the Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection Upper Deck cards. Now, to me, this was a no-brainer, something that we had to do on this channel and something that we had to show. I looked at the box and I saw the artwork for these cards was designed by Samwise, who is someone who's been involved with Blizzard Entertainment since 1991 and has been behind many of the classics that made that company what it is today. Ones I could think of off the top of my head: Warcraft 2, Warcraft 3, StarCraft, Diablo 2, a whole bunch of gems in the franchise that this guy has created art for since the very beginning, and now he's designing a new trading card collection for Blizzard Entertainment. These are something I can't wait to rip into. I can't wait to see what they're about, and I think we should jump right into this because these could get very interesting. Now let's jump on over to the box and take a look at the contents inside of a Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection blaster box. Now, the first thing I noticed on the box, looking at it at the bottom here, was may contain time-sensitive redemptions, which makes me think that you're able to pull cards that will be able to get you in-game cosmetics throughout the Blizzard franchise, which is pretty insane as a whole. I wonder if the things you can redeem are exclusive to only the trading cards. That would be very interesting because Blizzard has a way of making certain skins and items exclusive to specific things, such as Twitch exclusives and other platforms where you're able to get a specific skin only by watching a specific stream or completing a specific task. I wonder if that's how it's going to be with pulling redemption code cards out of this and what you can get as a whole. Now, one quick look at the insert cards that we can pull from the Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection. It looks like 1 in 70 packs will get you a Molten Core Parallel, and 1 in 140 packs will get you an insert card, Art of Samwise, or an Ultimate Ready card. Let's see if we have any luck pulling one of these 1 in 140 odds cards out of these packs. Quick show of the box before we completely rip it apart. Now here we go. Believe this is where we're gonna start. Let's see what's inside. You gotta love how they put the jailer on the front instead of Arthas. That one baffles me. Kerrigan, though, always a favorite. Can't wait for a StarCraft 3. Let me know if you can either. I'm hoping that comes out soon. This is what the inside contents look like. Let's see what our packs look like. Seven Blizzard Entertainment Upper Deck cards. All the packs seem to have Sojourn on them. I thought there'd be more variety on the packs, such as like a Pokemon hanger pack with multiple arts, but that's not how this turned out. Let's see the contents inside. Pack number 1. That first pack feel when you're opening an entire new genre of trading cards. Diablo. These are nice. Look at the first card, Garrosh Hellscream for the Horde. That's a way to start. Rock and Roll Racing, old school Blizzard. Cassia. What is this? Herodric Cube. Dark Wanderer. These are very nice. Grande Whisperwind. Diablo. Zealot. Leoric. This is like a trip down memory lane for all the Blizzard games that I've played. Upon my first pack, I'm very impressed with these cards so far. They have a nice thick feel to them too. Pack 2. I really like the Garrosh Hellscream card. That's one of my favorite images from Blizzard, with Garrosh sitting on the throne in Orgrimmar. I want to be careful with these. Nara. Gul'dan. I'm enjoying every minute of these. Malfurion Stormrage. Mamaroth. BC style. That's what I think of when I see that. StarCraft. Oh no, that's Diablo. I got that one wrong. For a minute I thought it was an Ultralisk. Kyriel. Stalker. There's our StarCraft art. StarCraft 2 was one of my favorite Blizzard games ever made. Trollbane. Let's do pack number 3. Deathwing. Hearthstone. Elite Tauron Chieftain. Greymane. Is this an insert card? No. Muradin Bronzebeard. Mal'Ganis. Dreadlords were always a favorite. That takes me back to Warcraft 3. Dark Wanderer from Diablo 2. Ner'zhul. And Deathwing. The artwork on these cards is absolutely stellar, and I really didn't expect any less. On to pack number 4. We'll pick the third one in. I also noticed through opening these, the red cards are the Molten cards. You will get one of those in every pack. Pulling a Whisperwind like that was pretty solid, I have to admit. Let's see what else we have in here. Elise Starseeker. I like how they put the game in the corner too for Hearthstone. Very detailed. Our first Overwatch card, Echo. This is very nicely designed. I'm liking the artwork on this card. It stops me in my tracks looking at it. Anna. Like for support. Anna's my second main in support. This is such a nice card. What else we have? Another Elise Starseeker. So that's our first duplicate. Unless, wait, that looks different. Is this a special card? Look. Has these wavy lines going through it. This one doesn't. I'm assuming this is an insert card. Take a closer look at this. It is different. If somebody in the comment section knows what all those wavy lines are on the card, please let me know, because obviously this is different from this. Let me see this. The Blizzard logo is a different color as well when you look at it, so that's something Somebody can let me know what we just discovered in the comment section. So we have a Lunara. That's our Molten card from this pack. Plain Rin. We're going back. We are going back. Warcraft movie. What is this one? Archimond. I'm not sure where he's more memorable from. Warcraft 3 or World of Warcraft The Raid. Another amazing character. Our final card is Sylvanas Windrunner. Personally, my favorite character throughout the Warcraft lore. I love the development of her story all the way up until about Shadowlands, but we're going to see where that storyline continues to go. Great to pull a High Elf Sylvanas card. This isn't even her in Banshee form. These cards are amazing. I like how they even go back to things like this. Sylvanas is a High Elf. I'll spend forever on these packs. 3 to go. So enjoyable. What is this? RPM Racing? We're going all the way back to this. How many people even remember this? Sick. Anubarak. We'll be seeing a lot more Crypt Lords too in the future of World of Warcraft and all the memories they brought to us in Warcraft 3. Oh my god, Farah. This is the most fun I've had opening cards in a while. Tracer. I would like a Moira. A Cho'Gall. A Molten Cho'Gall. Wow. Diablo. A Marine, the old school StarCraft Marine. Kargoth Blade Fist. Warlords of Draenor. This covers like every single Blizzard game. 2 packs to go. Hearthstone Thrall. Agni Bronzebeard Hearthstone. Warrior is my class in Hearthstone, but we go the Garrosh Hellscream route. Sergeant Hammer, Heroes of the Storm. They took their time with these. Heron Gorfiend Molten. This was one of the best cinematics in the entire StarCraft franchise. Queen of Blades Kerrigan. Not only are the characters amazing, the artwork takes you back to memories in game that I'm sure many of us just forgot about. This wasn't this Wings of Liberty? Amazing. Artanis, Legacy of the Void Memories, Senjin, Lurker is one of my favorite units in StarCraft 2. Last pack Magic. Before I even tear into this, I have to just say this has been one of the best openings that I've done in a long time for me personally. Going back, seeing all this is making me want to rip into even more boxes before I've even finished opening the last pack. Let's see what we can get. Being very careful. Sour Fang. In the back, Lady Leodrin, Hearthstone, RPM Racing, Wrecking Ball, Hammond, tell the devil I said howdy, we just pulled an Ash. The Overwatch cards are very nice. All of these are nice. Ilaria Windrunner, Molten. Ilaria, a character who's going to be key, I think, going forward in World of Warcraft. What do we have here? Podgar. Kel'Thas Sunstrider, Burning Crusade all day. Our final card in our very first Blizzard Legacy Collection opening is Varrock Sourfang. Takes me back to the battle with him and Sylvanas at the gates of Orgrimmar. Absolutely amazingly enjoyable opening. If you are a fan of Blizzard Entertainment, I would highly recommend picking up a box of these cards if you're into collectibles and cards. This was just so much fun to open and go through all the various arts throughout the 30 plus years of Blizzard's history, taking you back to so many memorable cinematics that I don't know how we're not going to open up another box of these on this channel. You can let me know if you agree that we should do another box of Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection cards, because this one was extremely enjoyable to me and came very unexpectedly. Everybody, if you've made it this far in the video, do not forget to like and subscribe. That greatly helps the channel. Leave your thoughts on the Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection trading cards by Upper Deck. Let me know if you want to see more of this. Let me know your thoughts overall, because this to me is just something we're going to have to repeat all over again. Everybody, thank you for watching. Have a good day or night wherever you are. I will see you in the next video. Later.